Hello everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see how we can apply the live load in Tekla Structural Designer on a RCC structure. So in the previous video, we have already discussed this thing, but here we are going to give it more clarity because in the last video, it was not visible. So I'm taking the same project and I'm going ahead of that. Okay, so now I will just share my screen and here you can see this is our model and where we have already applied at the dead load. So now we have to apply the live load. For that we will go to the load and then I will just go to the imposed load over here. Imposed load and live load are same thing. Now we can go with any of the options like the area, slab or level, but the most convenient one is the level over here. So I will just go to the level and I will apply the load of 2 kilonewton per meter square and I can just go it to the any level and provide it. Now for the headroom, I just want to provide a load of 5 kilonewton per meter square. So I will simply change the unit over here and make it 5 kilonewton per meter square and I will just apply it over here. Now for the calculation of the headroom load or you can say the live load, we have basically the water tank over here and that is the only live load that we have. So for that we can simply calculate that. Okay. Now how to do that, you have to simply take how much load is there on the water tank, and if you have suppose 1000 liter of the water tank over there, then you will just take how much load is there, then you will calculate the area, then you will divide the load by the area. Suppose how much it is, I will just again show you. So this is not the accurate one, I'm just taking the basic one over here. So if you want to just check it, suppose this is uh, dimensions, and from here we are taking up the dimensions. Let's check. So this is 3.535 and then again we have this dimensions which is approximately 2.28. So let's take it to 3 by 2. Okay, now I will just open up the calculator, open it, and suppose our load is 1000 divided by 3.3 or let's say 3.4 and again divided by how much it was? It was 2.28. Okay, so again this was divided by 2.28. So this is your load per meter square. This much load will be there. Okay, now accordingly you can just calculate anything. Okay, so over here I'm just taking the 5 kilometer per meter square over here. You can just change the units over there and that will be very less, not that much. Now I can see that the load applied over here is 5 kilonewton per meter square. Then again just control Z to get rid of the dimensions. If you want to check the load, then you can simply take your cursor over there and check the load from there. Okay, so now this is a 2 kilonewton per meter square and this is again 2 kilonewton per meter square, wherever this is 5 kilonewton per meter square. So we have applied the dead load and the imposed load at this point, and next what we are going to apply is seismic load. Now why seismic load and why not wind load? Because this building is not higher than the 10 meters. Okay, the superstructure is not higher than 10 meters, so wind load will not be applied over here. I'm also leaving a few things in this project, like over here I should have considered the load of the staircase. I'm missing out on that one, and the wind load. So for that I have planned one thing, like I will go for a high rise structure over there. I will also consider the load of the staircase as well as the load of the wind. But in this project, since it is a small project, so we will go with the like dead load, imposed load and the seismic load, just three of these loads and the load combinations. Okay, so that you can start from the basic to the advanced level. That is my vision of working with the Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you are enjoying all the sessions that are being provided by us, and if you are enjoying this, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have any kind of question or request on any particular video, then you can also join our Telegram group, or you can simply leave that in our comment section, and I will definitely make a video on that topic as soon as possible. Thank you.